You're welcome to Cross TV. Today I'll be showing you how you can promote your affiliate link. How you can promote your affiliate link using your Gmail address. Using your Gmail address. Now go to your Gmail account www.gmail.com www.gmail.com. So I'm now on my Gmail account. I would employ you to use desktop mode, or if you have your system, you can make use of your system and etc. It can either be CPA marketing, CPA product, or any other product, but this network work perfectly. It network work as long as you have what? As long as you have what? As long as you have your. Let me switch to desktop mode. As long as you have what? As long as you have a quality product to promote, as long as you have. So I'm now on desktop work. I'm now on desktop mode. You can see it looks exactly just like desktop mode. Now scroll back and click on what? Settings. Click on settings. So I'm now on set. You can see this signature. You can see it says no signature. The benefit of this signature is that once you send message, information on this signature would automatically appear underneath the message, underneath all message you sent. So you can take or leverage the merit of this by inputting your affiliate link on this signature. Once you add your affiliate link, anytime people saw it, okay, people will be like, wow, okay, there is even link. Okay, let me check this link. What's on this link? And once they show your brand, if they love it, they will surely purchase it. Other methods include you can also find people's email online. So once you get their email, you can explain about your product, then append with the signature already append. Or once they saw the affiliate, okay, seems it's the affiliate link, okay, they will click on it. That's the benefit of this signature. So you can add your affiliate link on it. Like me now, no signature. Let me add signature. The signature is now what? Let me quickly get one of my affiliate link. So I don't want it to just look wasteful. It's now loading. Okay, like this. You can see this my affiliate link. I'm using it to promote what? I'm using it to promote Bluehost. So I've now copied the affiliate link. Let me now go back. So I'm now on my Gmail address. Then I will now append what the information on it. You can see after that what you save changes. You save changes. It has been automatically saved. It has been automatically saved. It has been automatically saved. Now what? The next thing was, let's try to send message to anybody. Let's try to send message to anybody. Let me compose email message. Let me compose email message. Compose mail. You can see the affiliate link. You can see how it appears. What on the information bar, on the information feed. On the information feed. This is to whom person I test send message to. Then the topic I can, okay. Let's assume I'm sending message to a website company in Nigeria. I say okay. Let's assume the name of the company is Web for sure. So at gmail.com. So I can now put it. Then the subject of matter, okay. Web hosting. I've now added. Then I can now explain benefit. Okay, the name of the product. Okay, I can say okay, Bluehost. Bluehost. Then I can now explain brief information about this Bluehost. Then I would employ the targeted person to click on this affiliate link. So once they click on this affiliate link, it will automatically took them to the affiliate product, So that's just what I have for you guys for today. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button, so you'll be the first to be notified just in case I drop an amazing video just like this. Thanks.